Hello and welcome to the lecture series on solutions to the problems in general physics given by IE Irodov. In this lecture, we will be solving problem number 2 of the book, which is related to the chapter motion in a straight line. The statement of the problem goes as follows. The problem says that a point traverses half the distance with a velocity v0. The remaining part of the distance is covered with velocity v1 for half the time and with velocity v2 for other half of the time. We are required to find the mean velocity of the point averaged over the whole time of motion. So let's get going. Let the point traverses a distance d between A and B. Let C be the midpoint of AB. Distance AC is equal to d by 2 and this is traversed in time t0 at velocity v0. Let D be another point between C and B. We are given that the point traverses the distance CB and DB in equal times. Therefore, the distance CD is traversed in time t1 by 2 at velocity v1 and distance dB is traveled in time t1 by 2 at velocity v2. The average velocity between C and B can be taken as v12 and this distance is traversed in time t1. Therefore, we are given that distance between AB is equal to d, distance between AC equal to BC is equal to d by 2. Distance AC is equal to d by 2 is covered at velocity v0 in time t0. Distance CD is covered at velocity v1 in time t1 by 2. Distance dB is covered at velocity v2 in time t1 by 2. And distance BC is equal to d by 2 is covered at mean velocity v12 in time t1. Now we know that average velocity is displacement over time interval. Now distance CB, which is equal to d by 2, is covered in two steps. First at velocity v1 and then at velocity v2, both taking time t1 by 2. Therefore, distance CD is v1 into t1 by 2 and the distance dB is equal to v2 into t1 by 2. Therefore, distance CB is equal to v1 t1 by 2 plus v2 t1 by 2. This gives average velocity as d by 2 divided by t and this is equal to v1 t1 by 2 plus v2 t1 by 2 divided by time between C and B, that is t1. Therefore, average velocity between C and B is equal to v1 plus v2 by 2. Therefore, mean velocity from C to B, that is v12, is equal to v1 plus v2 by 2 and time taken between C and B is t1 is equal to d by 2 v12, that is d by v1 plus v2. Now the distance AC is traversed in time t0 at velocity v0 and distance CB is traversed in time t1 at average velocity v12. Therefore, average velocity is equal to d by t0 plus t1. t0 will be equal to d by 2v0 and t1 will be equal to d by 2v12. Therefore, V average is equal to 2v0 v12 divided by v0 plus v12. v12 we have already obtained previously, therefore V average will be equal to 2v0 into v1 plus v2 by 2 divided by v0 plus v1 plus v2 by 2. This gives V average as 2v0 v1 plus v2 divided by 2v0 plus v1 plus v2, and this is the required answer.